Morning student. Today I am going to solve the question 716. It is based on written down value method of depreciation chapter. So let us start question. Rama Limited bought a second hand plant on 1st April 2017 for rupees 1,80,000 and spent 20,000 on its overhauling and erection. On 30th December 2019, plant was sold for 80,000. Depreciation was provided at the rate of 20% per annum on written down value method, and book were closed on 31st March each years. Prepare necessary ledger account for 3 years, assuming that provision for depreciation account is not maintained, and second, provision for depreciation account is maintained. So, solution of this question: first we have to prepare format. So in first case we have to prepare only one account, that will be plant account, and in second case we will mention provision for depreciation account. So we will prepare two account, machine account and provision for depreciation account, both. So let us see the format. This is our format of question number 16. Case first: when provision for depreciation account is not maintained, we will prepare plant account only. Plant account. This is DR side, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees, and CR side. Now we will put on 1st April 2017 April 1st to bank account, when we will add 1,80,000 plus 20,000, it will make 2 lakh, and at the rate of 20% per annum, depreciation will be on 2018 31st March by depreciation account 40,000, and remaining balance will be balance CD 1,60,000, and total will be 2 lakh, both side. When we brought down to next year, to balance BD will be 1,60,000. Now on 2018 April 1st and 2019 31st March by depreciation account will be 32,000 on remaining balance, because this question is based on reducing balance method. So balance CD will be now 1,28,000 and both side balance will be 1,60,000, 1,60,000. Now it will brought down next year to balance BD. So amount will be 1,28,000 and on 2019 April 1st, and question is saying on 30th December 2019 plant was sold for 80,000. So student, we have to calculate depreciation from 1st April 2019 to 31st December 2019. So by depreciation account will be for one year it will be 1,20% of 1,28,000, but we have to calculate depreciation for 9 months only. So it will be 19,200 for 9 months. And I am selling this machine. So bank account will be 80,000 and only one machine in this question. So 1,28,000 and 1,28,000. When we deduct 19,200, 80,000 from 1,28,000, it will remain profit and loss, PL account, loss. So loss will be 28,200. Now you can see by adding it will be equal to 1,28,000. Now student, I am going to solve when provision for depreciation account is maintained. Question is saying provision for depreciation account is maintained. Second is provision for depreciation account is maintained. So let us draw a format first. Now student, this is plant account, DR side, CR side, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees, and this is provision for depreciation account. CR side, DR side, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars rupees. Now student, you will be thinking that I am drawing always format and writing date particular amount. So student, this is the part of this question. When we will write this, solution will looks beautiful. So now let us write from this. We have to separate depreciation account and plant balance. So in this part, when provision for depreciation account is maintained, then I will write 2017 1st April to bank account 2 lakh, and on 2018 31st March it will be by balance CD 2 lakh. Now I will close this amount this year and transfer to balance BD to next year. It will be 2 lakh on 2018 1st April. Now on 2019 31st March by balance CD, it will also be 2 lakh, and I will close off. Next, on 2019 April 1st to balance BD, and it will be 2 lakh. Now student, on 2019 December 31st plant has been sold. So we will write provision for depreciation account, and total depreciation on this plant will be 40,000 plus 32,000 plus 19,200. So it will be total 91,200. So I will write provision for depreciation account 91,200, and by bank account will be same 80,000, and by profit and loss account will be same 28,800, and total will be 2 lakh both side, 2 lakh. Now student, I will prepare provision for depreciation account. So let us see provision for depreciation account. Now in provision for depreciation account on 2018 31st March, it will be by depreciation account 40,000, and on 2018 31st March true balance CD will be 40,000, and this year will close. Now true balance BD will be transferred to next year, so it will be by on 2018 1st April by balance BD 40,000, and in this year depreciation of plant will be on 2019 31st March. Depreciation account will be by depreciation account 32,000. So total will be 72,000, and I will also write in DR side 72,000, and on 2019 31st March true balance CD will be 72,000. Now I will transfer true balance CD to next year. So on 2019 April 1st by balance BD will be 72,000, and this year the machine was sold in 2019 30 December. So depreciation will be for 9 months, and it will be depreciation account, and depreciation will be therefore on this particular month for 9 months it will be 19,200. So when we will add, it will be 91,200. Now student, I will also write in debit side 91,200, and on 2019 30th December to balance to plant account, because I will send it to plant account. So because this plant is selling at this time, so it will be 91,200. Now student, this 91,200 has been transferred into plant account. So this is the first part of question, and 91,200 by provision for depreciation account has been brought in plant account credit side when plant is selling. So we will write provision for depreciation account. It means total depreciation of plant which is selling on 30 December 2019. So student, this is the solution of your question. You can take a screenshot. This is a first case when plant and machinery account is not maintained, provision for depreciation account is not maintained, and this is second part when provision for depreciation account is maintained, and also the solution of this side. You can take a screenshot. Thank you very much. I will meet you in next video.